Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel DoorDash Pass. First, open the DoorDash app or website and tap Account. At the top, find and tap Dash Pass. Scroll down and look for Cancel Membership or End Subscription. Tap it to start the cancellation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, select a reason for leaving, and confirm your cancellation. You'll continue to have DashPass benefits until the end of your billing cycle. And that's it. That's how to cancel DoorDash Pass. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.